Welcome to Recreation Outfitters, where we offer a wide selection of outdoor furniture for all your outdoor entertaining needs. Today, we'd like to introduce you to the Armen Living Fineline and Doris Indoor-Outdoor 7-piece dining set in Dark Eucalyptus Wood with Superstone and Black Rope. This beautifully crafted set is perfect for any outdoor space, whether it be a backyard, patio, or garden. The Fineline Outdoor Dining Table features a unique tabletop made of a 5-layer composite with 2 layers of cement fiberboard surrounding an aluminum honeycomb core. This tabletop is both durable and weather-resistant, able to withstand inclement weather and everyday wear and tear. Eucalyptus wood is an excellent choice for outdoor furniture as it has antifungal and antimicrobial properties, making it resistant to decay, rot, and garden pests. It is also rich in oil that naturally repels moisture and water, ensuring that your outdoor furniture will last for many years to come. The Doris chairs, wrapped in resilient regatta rope cording, provide supple support while still allowing for element pass-through. The open chair back creates a breathable seating option that keeps you comfortable while seated, and the added convenience of these chairs being stackable makes this set even more practical. This 7-piece dining set includes one Fineline Indoor-Outdoor 80-inch rectangle dining table in Dark Eucalyptus Wood and Superstone, and 6 Doris Indoor-Outdoor dining chairs in Dark Eucalyptus Wood with Black Rope. The chairs have dimensions of 26 inches, width by 22 inches, diameter by 31 inches, height SH 18 inches, and the table has dimensions of 81 inches, width by 35 inches, diameter by 30 inches, height. This set is suitable for indoor or outdoor use, and the woven rope design offers excellent support and comfort. It has a weight capacity of 250 pounds and is built to last, with a 3-year limited manufacturer warranty on the outdoor furniture frames and a 2-year limited warranty on the outdoor cushions. Assembly is easy with clear and concise step-by-step instructions, and Armen Living offers a variety of color and finish options to fit any existing design theme. So if you're in need of beautiful, functional, and durable outdoor furniture, be sure to check out the Armen Living Fineline and Doris Indoor-Outdoor 7-piece dining set at Recreation Outfitters. If you have more questions, please reach out to us at Recreation Outfitters, your source for all things recreation.